Hey there, today I'll tell you how to reset your password on Prizepicks. If you forgot your password, then how you can reset it. It's very easy to do. Now I'll show you how you can do it very easily. For this, first open your browser and go to prizepicks.com. Then after going it, then select login from here. Then you will be redirected to sign in page, then from here type your email address and your password. If you have remembered, then select sign in to sign in. If you forgot your password, then what you have to do is for just select forgot password here. Then you have to enter your email address here, then select send instruction, then uh, your request successful. They will please check your email to reset. Now go to your email and send search for an email from Prizepicks and follow the prompts to reset your password, and that's it. That's how you can reset your password in Prizepicks.